Hello guys, welcome to Webstar Plus. In this video, I will show you how to build an infinite logo carousel. It will be highly customizable, responsive, and it works everywhere. You can implement it in plain HTML CSS website, in WordPress, Shopify, Webflow, Wix, Squarespace, or anywhere if you know how to implement it. We will use Slick Carousel for this. And I will use CDN links from this website, CDN.js. So in the CSS part, initially I will hide this slider to make it appear smoothly when it's fully loaded. And I want images to be centered. Now in the body area, this is our main div with the class Slick Slider. Inside it, we'll have few images, but each image will be inside a separate div like this. Each image and separate div. This is our HTML structure. Now at the bottom, before closing body tag, you can use Font Awesome if you want navigation or arrow controls at the left or right side of this slider. If you want to customize those controls. Now this is Slick Slider CSS file and Slick Slider theme CSS file. These CSS files can be placed in head section as well. And at the end, JavaScript files. One of those files is jQuery. Slick Slider is jQuery dependent in this case. And this is Slick Slider JS file. I have got all these files from CDN.js as I described earlier. I am directly linking these. Now we will initialize the slider. After these two JavaScript files, jQuery and then Slick main.js, inside script tags, hide Slick Slider from start. Then document.ready function, when DOM is loaded, show the slider and then initialize the slider. Slick Slider.slick with these settings that we will implement here. These settings. It looks a lot, but it is very simple. Let's see. We have error in the code here. And here's the slider with smooth fade in transition. And now it will scroll. You can adjust this slider as you need. You can show navigation dots and control each aspect of it easily by adjusting these settings. You can choose to show or hide dots. This is number of slides to show. This is number of slides to scroll. Should it be infinite or not? Should it autoplay? And there are responsive controls as well. So this is how you can implement a nice logo carousel or logo slider in your website. And because each div is scrolling, you can also place other content inside div along with the logo. And the whole div will scroll. Like if you place text besides these logos, that will also appear. You will need a little bit of CSS to adjust it according to your need, but it will work. Now I have shown you logo carousel by using Slick Carousel jQuery library. This is infinite carousel using Slick Carousel library. This is same infinite carousel by using all carousel library. And this is infinite carousel using Flex Slider library. And this is the same thing using BX slider. So I have created same thing using all carousel, Slick Carousel, Flex Slider, and BX slider. You can download the code from the video description. All of these carousels and sliders are highly customizable and flexible. You can adjust their settings to modify these according to your need. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.